go. Callie and Tweed's litter, 1 week of age. Oh, they're cute. They're cute puppies. Still have their eyes closed. They won't be open until 2 weeks of age. Oh, you're a fusser. You're just a little fusser. Here, let's shake everybody up a little. Come on, you guys. Move around. There we go. Whoop. I'm going to line you all up here. Let's see. The yellow one's a monster. Hey, Mama. Here's Mama. Oh, she says, oh, she threw a ball. Where's that ball, huh? Callie. Oh, you're a pretty girl. Here's your perfect puppies. Okay, you go get the ball. Yeah, that girl. That's what you like. You like having a ball in your mouth, don't you? Yes, he says, I'm a retriever. I know, okay. Oh, you're gonna get up. Go get it. Oh, those puppies said, where did our mama go? Come here, Cal. Or, come here, Callie. Come on. Come on, Callie. Come on. She said, I want to play fetch.